about you guys, but I've been hopping on more conference calls and video calls than ever before. And for whatever reason, every time I open up that laptop and I get ready to set up, I am like surprised by how hideous I look on that low megapixel, low quality camera. Like there is no way I'm that ugly. Like it's humanly impossible. And if you're like me, I'm here to tell you, you're not that ugly. Like you're actually pretty damn good looking. You're just not used to this setup. Whether it's your front-facing FaceTime call or on your computer, you're probably placing it wrong, doing the wrong things, which is making you look bad on video calls. And let's be real, we're doing more video dates than ever. You are doing more video conferences than ever, more video meetings than ever, and you got to look good in front of this camera. And today, I'm gonna show you the 5 tricks I've been doing recently to look my best on any video call you do, whether it's Google Meets or FaceTime or WhatsApp or Zoom or Skype, whatever you use, I'm gonna make you look good in it. Let's go. Number 1, and the most important thing that I realized is that you need to raise your camera. Say there's this girl, you just picked her up on Tinder, you're trying to look good for her, and you're FaceTiming her. Do not put that camera down here. So many guys take selfies for their Tinder profiles or their FaceTime calls like this. This looks hideous. It makes you look like you have a double chin and completely disproportionate. You just raising the camera to your line of sight, all of a sudden your face looks more structured. So when you're having a video call, whether it's on your phone or on your computer, raise your camera to your line of sight. What I like to do with my laptop, if it's a conference call or something important, I'll just set like 5 books underneath all the way until my camera is right on my line of sight so I can look my best. Number 2, say you're on a FaceTime call, never place your camera against natural light. See, like right now I look hideous, and now I look better. This looks ugly, and goddamn, I might be a model. Who knows? But that's what you're gonna be feeling like when you figure out getting the right lighting. Lighting can literally make or break how good you look. So again, you have an important call. You want to impress somebody. Make sure you find some natural light and let the light pour onto your face. See, when you let the light hit the back of your head, it desaturates your skin. It removes all your contrast and you just look dull and dark and like there's no definition to your face. As soon as you flip around and let that natural light hit your face glows, your skin looks radiant, and you look good. 3, you're gonna have to groom yourself. Look, I know quarantine has kind of screwed us all up and deterred us from trying to look better, right? It's lost your line of sight, but there is no better confidence boost than actually putting effort into your physical appearance, and it shows on video calls. So if you're a dude, keep up that skin routine. You don't want your skin to look dry and full of acne. If you got a beard, trim that thing down, keep it sharp. Don't just let it grow amok just because you're quarantined or laid off. If you have an important call, whether it's the first time you're meeting a girl on a date, or whether it's the first time you're talking to a girl that you just met on Tinder, or you're going in for a job interview, cleaning this up is super important so it looks like you're always polished and always ready. It sends a message. And I get it. Maybe you don't want to go out and buy your grooming essentials, and I don't blame you. Who wants to go out right now? But see, with our sponsor, Dollar Shave Club, there is no excuse. There really is zero excuse because they got you covered from A to Z. See, Dollar Shave Club does not just produce shaving products. They do everything that a guy could need, whether that's body wash, oral care, toothpaste, toothbrush, deodorant, hand lotion, shampoo, conditioner, razors, even fragrances, whatever you can think of, whatever grooming product you need, Dollar Shave Club has, and they deliver it straight to your door. See, on Dollar Shave Club, you can customize what you get delivered periodically. That way, you never have to go to the store, nor do you ever have to worry about running out of things. See, Dollar Shave Club can completely take over your entire bathroom, and now you have high-quality products that smell good, that's gonna boost your confidence and your physical appearance delivered to your door. You don't even gotta leave your house. And if that's not all, right now, I literally just got this in the mail. I opened this like a savage because I was excited because Dollar Shave Club just sent me their new starter kit. See, for $5, the cost of a cup of coffee plus free shipping, you can check out their new starter kit. What's new about it? Their new matte black razor. Look how sleek this looks. It has an anti-slip grip, which is perfect if you're shaving in the shower. The thing is matte black, so it's always gonna look sexy in your bathroom. And it also comes with a supply of razors, so you can get started for $5. You're getting all of this. That's not all. You're also gonna get the entire shaving kit that you need to make sure your skin is flawless. See, you're gonna get the scrub. This is a facial scrub to remove your dead skin cells and make your face look soft and smooth. That way the razor can just glide. You also get shave butter. The butter is great because it doesn't lather up or foam up and it stays clear. That way you can see where you're shaving and it's ultra smooth. And then when you're done, you get the post shave. Literally, you get the whole kit for $5 and you can try out Dollar Shave Club and see just how amazing and good quality the products are. Yo, you got nothing to lose and everything to gain. Your appearance is gonna thank you. And then you can thank me by dropping me a like. If you guys wanna check out the Dollar Shave Club, they're gonna be linked down below. Check them out. This is a limited time offer. If you guys wanna check out the Dollar Shave Club, visit dollarshaveclub.com/fashion to get the ultimate shaver starter set for only $5 and round out your grooming routine by adding any of their other high quality products. After that, razors ship at a regular price. Number 4, your background. So your background matters. I've said this before, but everything sends a signal of who you are as a person. If your room is a cluttered mess, or anybody that's looking at you that's gonna judge you, they're gonna think, man, this guy's a slob. He can't even take care of his room. So when you set up to make yourself look good, make sure that wherever you set up, it looks clean and appropriate. This is why what you should do before you hop on that call, what you can do is open up the front-facing camera of whether it's your laptop or your actual camera and look at what you're gonna be capturing with the camera. And even if your room is a mess, yo, shove everything to the side. That way it can look as clear as possible and look clean in the back. If you have other certain apps, I think like Zoom, Google Meets, and maybe even Skype, you can even change out the background or blur out the background, which is another option as well to make sure you look your best. And finally, number 5, your clothes. Look, I get it. You're in bed. You just want to roll out and hop on that call. You have no motivation whatsoever. I completely get it. If that's the case, for most of the time, you want to have something simple that you can throw on that's gonna look good. For me, it's always a button up. It's my go-to, whether I'm doing podcast calls, I'm doing conference calls, meetings, whatever it is, I'll just throw on a quick button up and you look sharp. You look good, you're ready to do your FaceTime call. If you add everything else on this list, you're gonna look amazing. If that's too much for you, for most of the time, for every other time that's not like business related or something super important, a black t-shirt. For me, a black t-shirt's my go-to. If it's fitted, you always look sharp and sleek and like you actually put effort in. Let's be real, a black t-shirt takes half a second to throw on and it should be your go-to when you're doing these FaceTime calls. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. Like I said, I've been doing a lot of these. I'm sure you're doing as many of them as I am as well because your classes are online, your interviews are online, and when you meet girls, most of them will want to hop on a FaceTime call. So learning to look good here, it's important nowadays. If you guys like this video and found it informative, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget to check out our sponsor, the Dollar Shave Club. They're going to be linked down below as well. That's it for me today. See you next time.